Okay, hey everybody. This is gonna be how to make a chicken. Well, I call it a chicken cheesesteak. So here we go.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is, for this particular sandwich, a hoagie bread or a hoagie roll type deal, an onion and 3 different colored bell peppers, 3 chicken breasts cut up. I use the pre-packaged, but if you do use raw, cook it first. A spice mix, which I will have right here. And well, I have a cheese mix mixed up, which I don't need that right now, so I won't use it right now. For the bell pepper and onion mixture, you need to have your oven preheated to 400 degrees. This ain't quite ready yet, so while you're waiting on that, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, or tablespoons, the big one, to the spice mixture. Which, hang on while I do that. Okay, this is what the mixture looks like after you add the 2 tablespoons of, you had 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you mix it together. What we're going to do now is add the onions and bell peppers. Take as much of it in there. Another little mixer. And now you take the 3 chicken breasts. Come on. Yeah. Then you add it. Have a nice chicken mixture. Then you just take the entire mixture and just spread it on there. Then you just start working it in. You know, just make sure everything's coated. Everything's nice and coated. Alright, you see that? And this will go in the oven as soon as the oven's preheated. And now that the oven is preheated, you insert the mixture in. Close it up. Set your timer for 25 minutes. And then you wait. So, see you in 25. Okay, for these sandwiches, what you do, you get you a spoon. Nice little filling. Next tonight, late worried about the narcotics. Still working a lot like so many kids saying what's happening to the You get your cheese. And sprinkle it on. Then you put it back in the oven on broil until the cheese is all good and melted. I'll show you what it'll like when I get back. And here you have it, ready to enjoy. If you have any questions, email me on gmail.com. Hit me up on Facebook. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And email LanceMossTV. Hit me up on Twitter. It's @LanceMossTV. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.